To make over $100 on YouTube for every 1,000 views you get, there's a couple of things you can do. The first thing is simple. You simply talk about the right things. I've spoken in the past about certain videos, you'll see the analytics on the screen now, that I've been paid over $100 for 1,000 views on. That number, RPM, is what you need to look at. It's the metric that describes what YouTube is paying you for every 1,000 views. YouTube simply pays more money for videos on certain topics. So for that first simple method of making over $100 for 1,000 views, you simply find the topics that YouTube rewards you highly for and make your videos and your whole channel around those topics. But the problem here being is, not everyone wants to make a YouTube channel that focuses on just one of the small number of topics YouTube pays highly for. So what do if you want to make a channel on your passions, but still ensure YouTube pays you over $100 for every 1,000 views you get? Well, that's where solution number 2 comes in. It's taken me from earning on average $2,500 per month to making $11,000 in a single month. And I easily made over $100 for every 1,000 views I got on each new video I made that month.
It's actually, I'm not even mad. That's amazing.
What I did was I went out and I got 2 4-figure brand deals by approaching companies on LinkedIn. And I also won 2 additional pieces of work building digital products for clients by going out and using my YouTube channel as a demonstration of my ability. It's tapping into the mindset of seeing yourself as a business and your channel as a product that you can leverage to make more money. So the 2 options. 1, you can either become a puppet to YouTube and bend to their will, making videos that only they decide to reward creators highly for. Or 2, you can take things into your own hands. You can start acting entrepreneurial and make sales happen. That's how you're gonna make over $100 from 1,000 views on YouTube. YouTubers now are a perfect example of YouTubers that take things into their own hands after YouTube decided to not pay them any money for views on their channel. They find their own ways to make over $70 million from their channel each year. Here's a video I put out in the past on the techniques they use to sell to their audience to make that much money. Give it a watch, it's a great case study that you can learn from. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more creator, YouTuber breakdowns, entrepreneur case studies. I've been Greg, you've been great. Peace out.